Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I guess you're wondering, how do we go from thin lips to full lips? I know you've probably seen a million thousand tutorials on doing it already, but this is my version and I hope you like it. I've always been one to go down the natural route of just playing around with makeup to enhance features. I've never done Botox, each to their own. I've never done filler, each to their own. I've never done lip filler, each to their own. I think everybody has a preference on what they like to do, and that's totally fine. Maybe down the line one day I'll consider doing some lip filler, Botox, who knows, maybe even a chin sucking thread lift, who knows, I don't know. But for now I'm too scared to do it. So we play around with makeup and we work with what we've got. So this video is basically going to be a video to enhance your lips already. You may already have full lips and that's fine, you can go ahead and enhance them all. Or if you're just curious to see what this video is about, then please keep on watching. So my lips are pretty much, they used to be fuller when I was younger. They used to be actually a lot more plump. Lips will sort of deflate. Although my mum has quite big plump lips and she's had them her whole life and she still does, so I didn't inherit that gene, unfortunately. But there's nothing wrong with thin lip. Aesthetically pleasing to beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Is it all the rage to have full lips? Probably. Do you feel more, I don't know, more attractive just by having full lips? Maybe so. And I think I'm just going on a bit of a tangent here. So let's just get into enhancing our lips. We're just going to be using 4 different products today, and you don't have to have these products, you can have something similar. I'm going to be doing 2 different looks. One's going to be a glossy look and one's going to be a matte look. I'll list the products in the description box below, but we're using the Moonglow, and it's just a lip gloss by Marc Jacobs. And for the lip pencil to go with that, we're using the Mecca Max lip pencil in the shade Plush. So that's the lip pencil in Plush and that's the Moonglow gloss. Okay, starting off with the lip pencil, we're going to start sketching and overdrawing the lips. Everybody has a preference of how full they want to go, but this is what I actually like to do. And there's all these videos with contouring under the lips and over the lips and who knows, everywhere around the face, but this is just the lips, guys. We don't need to contour any part of the lips, I don't think anyway. We're contouring with the lip pencil already. Now fill in the rest of the lips with the lip pencil. And now with the Marc Jacobs lip gloss, so guys, that is the look number 1 with lip gloss. And I'll just put a picture up here so you can see what my lips looked like previous to the lip gloss. But overall I think it looks pretty natural and just nice, natural, fuller lips. It's nothing too extreme. So that's look number 1 with the Marc Jacobs lip gloss and the Mecca Max lip pencil. Hey guys, so now we're going to be doing look number 2, which is going to be a matte look. I'm just going to wipe this off. I'll just bring you guys in closer for look number 2. Okay, Now using KVD lip pencil, it's the Everlasting lip pencil, and this is the shade called Hawkind. I'll just do swatches for that here. And I'll also do, this is the shade called Moonflower Everlasting Liquid Lipstick by KVD Beauty. So we've got the lip pencil in Hawkind, and this is the Moonflower lipstick. Okay, let's start outlining the lips. And then with the liquid lipstick, and guys, that is the KVD liquid lipstick in Moonflower and the lip pencil in Hawkind. So I'll just zoom you guys out, move my mirror away, and this is the second look. What do you guys think of the second look? I'm more of a matte person. I prefer matte lips more than glossy lips, so everybody has a preference. But yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to achieve fuller lips, and just work with it. It sometimes takes a little bit of patience, and sometimes the look is well worth it after you see the end result. So just keep at it. Take your time with doing the outline of the lips. There's no, honestly, real right or wrong way of doing it. It just, sometimes you have to take it off and start from scratch and just keep on trying. I know sometimes the lip pencil that I'm using is dried out way too much, and I know that it needs to be sharpened, and then I can sort of revive it so that it can perform better. But the KVD liquid lipsticks and the lip pencil, the Everlasting range, they are a wonderful formula. They're comfortable, they're non-drying, they last a really long time, so I highly recommend those. And obviously gloss is gloss. I don't care what anyone says, but as soon as you eat something, that gloss is coming off. And that's why I prefer matte lipsticks, so that's just my preference. If you have any products that you'd like me to review, please let me know and I will do my best to review them. And so guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you have a lovely day or night wherever you are. Bye for now.